Hello, this is Monica. Do you know the difference between lie and lay? Do you know how to use them correctly? Let me show you some examples. Okay, the first verb is to lie, okay? So it's an irregular verb and it's lie. Lay is the past and lain is the participle. And it means to put yourself in horizontal position. So for example, if you go to the hospital because you're sick, okay, the doctor might tell you, okay, lie down, please, okay, because lie down is the verb in the present. So lie down, please. So now, if you're talking about the past, you simply can say, yesterday he lay on the beach for 3 hours, okay, because the verb of lie in the past is lay, okay. So he lay on the beach for 3 hours. He was horizontally for 3 hours yesterday. Okay, and now let's take a look at the second verb. Okay, the second verb is to lay. Lay, oops, there you go. Lay in the present. Okay, so lay is a regular verb. So lay, laid, laid. Okay, and this is a verb that has an object after. Okay, and it means to put something in a place. Okay. Okay, so one example would be, I always lay the table at home, okay? So the verb in the present is lay, okay? And it's a fixed expression in English, eh? Poner la mesa, in Spanish, it would be to lay the table. And now let's take a look at the past, okay? So you can say he laid the books on the table, okay? Because the past of the verb to lay is laid. Eh? It's a transitive verb and it needs an object. In this case, the objects are the books, okay? So he laid the books on the table. Another example of lay in the present would be this one. Hens, okay, the animals. This is not exactly a hen, but you know what I mean. Hens lay plenty of eggs a year, okay? So remember I told you lay is always followed by an object. In this case, the object is eggs, okay? So hens lay plenty of eggs every year. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope that you learned the difference. And now, are you up for the challenge? Can you leave me some comments with some examples of these two verbs? Okay, I'm looking forward to your replies. See you soon. Bye.